Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. It's metallic gray. In the trunk there's also stowing down there. Love the pattern on these frunks, the front trunk. They do have the LED headlights. They have the folding mirrors. And here are the door controls for the driver. As I mentioned, it is a Model 3, and here's the VIN. Show the back seat. It's all dark gray leather. And the two USB ports for the power for the back. And this is gray leather and this is gray suede. It does have a glass roof. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay. Right now, it's on the radio. We'll go ahead and turn that down. This is for your defrost, either cold or hot. Okay, let's get to some of the more important things. It is a Model 3 long range, 14,860 miles on it. It does have the premium auto system on it, full self-driving capability, and premium connectivity. Some of the quick controls, as I mentioned, these mirrors will fold. You got your lights, also your ambient lights that are down by your knees and your feet. Let's see your locks, your display, your driving modes, your autopilot modes, keeping 2 car lengths behind the vehicle in front of you, auto steer, navigating on autopilot and summoning, speed limit, forward collision warning, emergency lane departure avoidance, blind spot collision warning chime, automatic emergency braking, and obstacle aware. Turn that down a little bit more. Here are your navigation settings, safety and security. Got the speed limit mode to where it won't go faster than 85. It's always nice if you're letting it out to a teenager or something to that effect. And for navigation, to see your map, all that you do is bring the rest of that down. Okay, to make a call, that's all you do. Then you would connect to your phone. Here's your backup camera. This talks about your energy usage and tracking it. This is your charging. Right now you have 65 miles left on this battery until you charge. Setting a limit. Web, this does come with web connectivity. Your entertainment, everything from Netflix and Hulu and YouTube to arcade games. Clear on down to your toy box, where you could go to romance, sketchpad. We can just go ahead and look at this right now real quick just to see that. So there's your romantic fire and music. Okay, that wraps up the display. If you come down here, you can see your charging port for your phone, your glove compartment, your center console, excuse me. And here you have your cup holders. And this is also your center console with 2 decks. An additional power supply there. And also where you place your key to start the vehicle. Okay, and that is your Tesla Model 3. Go ahead and look on up here at the glass roof. We are the largest Tesla dealer in the area. So visit us for more inventory at tjchapmanauto.com.